Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 2008 Weber KUF bottom, KSF top 1600 millimeter sanding line. If you have questions about pricing and availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and checked. Again, this is a 2008 Weber KUF bottom, KSF top, 1600 millimeter top and bottom sander. Basically, that's going to equate to just a hair under 63 inches of width capacity. And if we come up to the PLC, we can log in, take a look at the hours, and you can see that this machine does have 1,553 hours on it. You do have an auto calibrating unit. Works just like other auto calibrating units, and it will calibrate both units. You do have an over height mechanism here. If you were to pop this up, what it's going to do is actually open up that sander. We do have the door key, manuals for both sanders, and schematics for both sanders as well. If you were to go into the back of the PLC and open this up, there is a USB backup drive in there for that PLC. Your first two heads are drum on the lower unit. Both of these units do have vacuum beds. If we go into this second unit, you are going to have a combination head on that first one, and that is a segmented platen. And all of the magic happens on these two heads. That second head is that infamous patented CBF head, and the results that come out of this machine are absolutely astounding. I mean, this thing really can put out some really nice product. You also do have air wands. They're integrated right in between here for both those heads for abrasive cleaning. Your first head is also reversible. Up top, you also do have a blower motor as well. And on the rear here, you do have two blower motors contained into here for cleaning off your material as it exits the machine. Again, just really, really clean. Obviously, it does have low hours. In between the machine, you do have adjoining panels. If you actually open up this panel, if you pop these two, this panel is going to swing down. There is a catwalk between the machines. That's going to give you access to that second electrical panel in that top machine. We're going to walk around back real fast. All these panels will close. We just have them popped for the purpose of this video. Again, it is clean throughout, as you would expect. And on the other side of this machine, you can again pop that upper panel. It just simply lowers on a hinge, and you could reach that catwalk again for access. If we walk around front of the machine, we're going to go up to that Siemens controller. This is just really amazing controller. It allows you to control everything. Again, you could look at your hours. You can go back. You can start. You can close and open either sander. You can go through all your features. There's a couple sub menus as well. You can come in here. It's going to show you the basically 3D diagram, and this is how you turn everything on and off. You can change from 50% to 100%. by simply just touching. You could turn your fans on and off. We have these 3 off. You can also come in here, and this is going to show you any warnings. So if we were to pop this emergency right here, it's going to give us the warning first and foremost. We'll close that. As you can see, it's showing that there's some kind of safety, and then we can reset that. And it's going to show, oops, sorry, I forgot to reset the emergency stop. Then we're going to reset that. And as you can see, it's going to show that that is reset. Again, we can come back here and we could choose our heads. We're going to start the first head. And what's really nice is as you can see, you can come in and you can actually mic up your paper and actually put that increment in, and this sander is going to adjust to the exact thickness of your paper. So there's no more going in and adjusting. Everything is done off of this PLC. You don't have a need to do anything else. You could even come in and you could turn your air wands on. You can adjust your air pressure. Everything is right here. So whatever heads you turn on, those are the heads that are going to be activated, and whatever ones you leave off are going to obviously be off. So what we're going to do is we are going to come in and make sure that front head is turned on. We're going to accept those perimeters by hitting this button, and we're simply going to turn it on. As you can see, that head just fired. We basically just hit the emergency stop. As you can see, it is a really, really clean machine. 2008, 1,553 hours. It's a Weber KUF KSF. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.